If you're a very organized person and you have meetings and seminars and classrooms and any kind of event that you need it recorded through audio, this is the modern AI method of recording audio and having it transcribed and having it formatted just for you. This is the BOYA Notra AI. All in this tiny little device that hooks up to your phone and that can also record your phone calls right away, just like this. I'll tell you all about it. Check this out. Hit that like and subscribe and let's go. What's up, guys? So this device is really cool. So BOYA, I've been making videos for them. They do a lot of audio interfaces like the microphones, podcast systems, and so on. But they also have this little tiny device that records audio. This is an audio recorder, right? I mean, back in the days, audio recorder was this little, I have an audio recorder. Oh my God. That's crazy. Check this out. This is an audio recorder from a long time ago. This is what you use for classrooms and if you need to record yourself and things like that. But nowadays, everything is AI. This thing is connected to ChatGPT, Grok, and other AI systems. So it uses that to help out with everything audio related. I'm in the middle of writing a book. Right? And it's kind of hard because you got to bring out your laptop. You could record your audio with your phone, but it's not organized. So it's kind of all over the place and it makes it very difficult to write a book. But you could write a book with this. You could literally record right onto it and it'll summarize it for you and format it for you and all that stuff. So many things that you can do. So I just wanted to get that out the way just because I'm trying to do it. And now I got something that could really help me out and take it with me, walk around. If a great idea comes up, then the record and start talking and it'll just record everything that I'm saying. Now this device is really cool. It has an internal battery that charges through the USB-C and the battery will last you 24 hours straight recording. And it also has a 64 gigabyte internal space. You know, if you're a college student or even a high school student and you just bring this out and you hit record, then you could take it home and then it will footnote summarize it for you. So then you could study without having to remember what your professor said, what your teacher said. Anytime something important pops up that you wish you want to highlight it, then you just tap the button and it will highlight that conversation. It's great for meetings, a podcast, and then it will also, if you need to, translate it to all the different languages, if by chance you need it translated. Many different templates to pick from, and then you could just export it out into a PDF document or a text document, and then just send it out to your teammates right away. You could also connect it directly to a MacBook or a phone if you are doing a Zoom video call. This is neat because when you want to record your phone conversation, I don't know a method to record your phone conversation with your iPhone because there's a privacy thing. I don't know. Just your iPhone doesn't let you do it. I'm sure there's an app that'll let you do it. Maybe you have to pay for it. Using the MagSafe magnet right here, it'll record your conversation. It has some kind of technology that it will just reach, it'll record your conversation and it'll summarize everything for you. You have to be a little creative to figure out when to use this, right? Because to organize your life, right? Because you could have a meeting with your friends and you guys are planning on a vacation or planning on an event together. You guys want to keep this organized, then you could use this and be that friend that records everything, organizes it, format it into a very readable format, and then you send it out back to all of your friends through text, through email. This would be great for like daily journals. Instead of writing it down manually or typing it down, you could just say it. You could say your journal and it'll transcribe it for you. If you're writing a song, I have some original songs myself and out and about and you don't have anything, I guess you could obviously type it with your phone. But you could also just record it if you just don't want to sit there typing with your fingers, and then it'll just transcribe it and it'll save it for you. Just walk around, record it anytime you got a great idea in mind. I also film depositions sometimes and you see the court reporter just typing away all the conversation. Maybe it's a legal thing, they have to have it, of course. It's part of the court system. But now, even as a court reporter, you could get this and hit record, and at the same time, you could be typing, or better yet, I have seen a court reporter who is faking it. They're not even typing and they're using some kind of audio recording device, but kind of bulky, but they could get this tiny little thing and then just have it record while they're faking the typewriting. It'll transcribe everybody, and it also has an AI technology where it will separate person 1, person 2, person 3. I think it would be perfect. I think this is the way to go for every court reporter for sure. And then you could easily export it out as text. And the cool thing is that it has audio playback. It records up to 10 meters away.
Support to impulse me. I had never done real estate before. I had always been curious about it.
All right, guys, so if you are a student, if you are in team, if you are always in a meeting, if you just need your life organized, you need to write a book, music, jokes, and just anything that you want to write down, then now you could just do it through this BOYA Notra AI. Definitely recommend it. It's super cool, thin, looks nice. I got the link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.